Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn about two very important basic tools, the rolling tool and the ripple edit tool. So fire up your software and let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is open up Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm already on Premiere Pro right now and I have two clips on my timeline right now so that I can show you how to use these different tools. So the first one is a time lapse that I took and the second one is a short video that I made about a very important social topic a few days back. Now if you haven't checked that video out, I'll leave a link in the I button, so definitely check that video out. So now I'm going to show you how to use the rolling tool and the ripple edit tool. So to understand how to use that tool, you first need to understand in what situation you're going to use those different particular tools. So let's say you are scrolling through this timeline here and this is how you want your video to be. First you want this time lapse, then you want this second video to load, but then you realize maybe you have dragged your time lapse a little too far. You want your cut short, your time lapse. But now if you do this the manual way, it's going to take a long time. First you're going to select the out points of this particular time lapse, you're going to reduce it, then there's going to be a gap, you're going to select the next clip and then drag it to the first clip so that they click and the transition is seamless. Now this is a very long process. In this video it does not look extremely long because there are only two clips, but when you will be working in a proper project, you're going to be dealing with a lot of clips and then it's going to be a big problem. So with the ripple edit tool, this is how we're going to achieve this. So come down here and click on this particular icon that says ripple edit tool. You can also press B on your shortcut to load this particular tool. So now what you need to do, you need to select the out point of your first video, click here and drag it to where you want your video to end. Let's say this is where I want my video to end. As you can see on the left side of the monitor, it's showing me the new out point that is going to be created. So you can also get a preview on the program monitor how your new video out point is going to look so that you exactly get what you are looking for. So let's say this looks fine to me. This is where I'm going to end. So when I release my mouse now, as you can see, I have my new out point right now and the tool has also moved the in point or the beginning of the next clip. So there is no need for me to click on the next video, drag it to the position that I want it to be. It already does that for you. When you drag this particular end point of your first video to a new point, it automatically creates a ripple effect which also drags the second video or the rest of the videos to the point where your first clip has ended. So that is the use of the ripple edit tool. It's an extremely handy tool and it has a lot of application. Now the next tool that we're going to talk about is the rolling edit tool. You can also load up the rolling edit tool by pressing N on your keyboard or right clicking and hold and selecting rolling edit tool from this particular list. So what does the rolling edit tool does? So I'm going to show you a good example here. Let's say you want your second video to begin at this point. You don't want this instant gratification text to be showing. You want your video to directly start from this particular point. Similarly, you also want more of your time lapse to show in your particular video. So how are you going to do that? To do this the manual way, first you have to select the selection tool, select the second clip, take it far, select the first clip, drag it to make it long again. Then go to this clip, drag the in point to reduce it and then clip them back together. You see, it is a very long process. It's going to take a lot of time if you're going to do it manually, but here comes the power of the rolling edit tool. So I'm going to show you how to do that with this particular tool. So I'm just going to undo this here and yeah. So what we're going to do, press N on the keyboard and now when I drag between this line of this first clip and the second clip, and if I drag it to this side, you're going to realize changes are taking place on our program monitor here. The left side of the clip is showing the new out point of my first video that is changing. You see the time lapse is increasing now. As I'm moving to the right, as I'm moving forward, my time lapse is increasing. Similarly, on the right side of the program monitor, the in point of my second video is shrinking. You see, it started with the instant gratification mode, but it is going away now. I have my next frame that I want on my screen right now. So which means the left side of the program monitor shows the new out point of your first clip and the right side of the program monitor shows the new in point of your second clip. And the rolling tool allows you to change both simultaneously. So if I leave my mouse here, as you can see, the time lapse has increased, and when I go over my second clip, you see I have also moved a few frames into the future of my second clip too. So this is the power of the rolling edit tool. So these are very important and very handy tools to know. They have a lot of applications. Play around with these tools, have them on the timeline, and you are going to have a lot of fun. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It gives me a lot of encouragement to make more videos and bring it to you guys. So that's it for this video, guys. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.